Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm BKD and today I'm going to show you guys how I created this garden head photo shoot idea. I'm giving you guys a step-by-step process. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take 2 out of the 3 mats that you bought and place them at the very front edge of your cardboard object. That way you can see how much you need to cut off from the corner so that we can fill in any leftover space on both sides. And so you'll do this on both sides of your cardboard object, and you'll end up using a third mat to fill in that middle space of where your head is going to be. And then you'll just hot glue all of this down. So the third grass mat is where it gets a bit more complicated. For this one, you're going to have to take some actual measurements. So we did use some measuring tape to take our measurements, and then we just drew the measurements on the back of the grass mat with a yellow crown. And then we're just going to do the same thing where we hot glue this stuff into place. So here's what it looks like once you have your grass mats completely covering the cardboard. And so the next step is to actually start poking the hole so that you can fill it in with your flowers. Since some of the stems of the artificial flowers were a bit long, I decided to actually place my cardboard between 2 chairs so that would be a lot easier to pull the stems through the holes. So here's what the finished product looks like. We actually end up using the longer stemmed flowers to be a border around the cardboard, and then we also made kind of a border within the inner circle as well. And now we're going to head over to taking the photos. So I decided to add 2 more things for this photo. So the first thing is this fence covering. And since I only had one, I'm actually just going to edit in the sides of this backdrop. And then I also decided to wrap my legs with some viney leaves just to keep with the aesthetic of this photo. So this actually concludes today's video. Please let me know in the comments if you want me to continue doing things like this where I show you the step-by-step process of how I create these photo ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.